What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix mobile data is not working in Galaxy A56. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your flight mode. After turn on or off your flight mode, then check your network connection works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then open settings and scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset mobile network settings and again click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on factory data reset and then scroll down and again click on reset. After the factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.